how to use your weekly free transfers in the Fantasy Premier League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you want to swap out players without losing points, well, here is how you can use your weekly free transfers in the Fantasy Premier League. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Fantasy tab, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to tap on Transfers. And here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on the player that you want to transfer out. And after that, you can just tap on the Select Replacement button. And now you can choose a new player from the list within your budget. And once you're done, you can just tap on Make Transfer or Add Player. And after that, you can simply confirm it. And here you get one free transfer per game week. So if you use more than one, then each extra move costs you 4 points. So you can use the list view or transfer planner to compare fixtures and forms. And that's it. That's how you can use your weekly free transfers in the Fantasy Premier League. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.